Story 2. I saw a dervish who placed his head upon the threshold of the Kaaba, the cubicle building at Mecca, groaned and said, O forgiving, O merciful one, thou knowest what an unrighteous, ignorant man can offer to thee. I have craved pardon for the deficiency of my service, because I can implore no reward for my obedience. Sinners repent of their transgressions. Arifs ask forgiveness for their imperfect worship. Devotees desire a reward for their obedience, and merchants the price of their wares, but I, who am a worshipper, I have brought hope and not obedience. I have come to beg and not to trade. Deal with me as thou deemest fit, whether thou killest me or forgivest my crime. My face and head are on thy threshold. A slave has nothing to command. Whatever thou commandest, I obey. I saw a mendicant at the door of the Kaaba who said this and wept abundantly. I ask not for the acceptance of my service, but for drawing the pin of pardon over my sins. So our dealing with our wrongdoing or lacking is not in denial that we weren't perfect, but we're trying to be perfect. Astaghfirullah flame, astaghfirullah flame, astaghfirullah flame. There's a reason why we say that after the prayer. Not that we're forgiven for the prayer, we're forgiven that we want forgiveness that, the prayer hasn't granted us forgiveness for, of not being perfect in the prayer,